Hello. In this video, you're going to see how to install table themes for Party Poker. Step 1. Download the zip file with the theme to your computer. You can download it after your purchase is complete, and you are redirected back to the download page. You can also find the download link in your purchase receipt email. I already have the zip file with the theme here on my desktop. Step 2. Extract the files from the zip file. You can do it by opening it, and then just dragging the files out, or right-click on the zip file, and choose Extract. Step 3. Close your Party Poker client, if it's open. Step 4. Run the theme installer. If you are playing on PartyPoker.com, then you can just click through the installer, without changing anything. But if you play on some regional Party Poker client, then you need to change the destination folder to where your Party Poker client is installed by using the Browse button. Here is a list of some of the regional client locations. If your client is not in the list, then you can follow the formula the other locations are using, to find out where it is located. Congratulations! You can now start to use your new theme. These instructions are also included in the README file, with some additional info about the theme. Good luck at the tables!